Engineering mechanics, study of motion of rigid bodies under action of forces. Engineering mechanics, statics, rest, force and moment, equilibrium, plane stresses, principle of virtual work. Dynamics, motion, kinematics, only study of motion, R bar, V bar, A bar. Kinetics, study of motion with along with cause, R bar, V bar, A bar, F bar. Dynamics, rectilinear, translational, reflection, circular, impulse momentum equation, work energy theorem, impact or collisions, rotary general motion. Vector algebra. Vector, those physical quantities which have magnitude as well as direction and follows triangle law of vector addition are called vector quantities. Example: V bar W bar A V bar omega bar A bar alpha bar P bar L bar F bar T bar. Triangle law of vector addition: R bar is equal to A bar B bar a bar plus b bar. A bar b bar is like this. Then if we join it from end to the tip of b bar, then it is a bar r bar plus r bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. A bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to 0. C bar is equal to minus of a bar plus b bar. C bar is like will be like this. It will be following a complete triangle, closing triangle. Polygon rule: R bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. Then R bar will be like this: A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar plus C bar is equal to 0. Here it will be in this direction: R bar is equal to 0. Polygon rule: A bar B bar R bar R bar B sin theta B cos theta. R square is equal to A plus B cos theta whole square plus B sin theta whole square. A R is equal to A root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, where theta is angle between A bar and B bar. Tan alpha is equal to, this is alpha, tan alpha is equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Vector is equal to magnitude direction. Unit vector 1 into direction is equivalent to direction. A bar is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Mod of A bar is equal to root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. A bar, B bar, it is like this. Then actual angle is 180 minus theta. R bar is equal to root of A bar plus A square plus B square plus 2AB into cos of 180 minus theta. Where R is equal to root of A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. If it is like this, then extend it like this, then extend it like this, then angle will be theta. R is equal to root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. The resultant of two vectors A bar and B bar is R bar. If B bar is doubled, then the new resultant is perpendicular to A bar. Then new resultant is perpendicular to A bar. If there is B A bar A square plus okay 2v, then R prime perpendicular to and then tan 90 is equal to 2v by 2v sin theta by A plus 2v cos theta. Cos theta is equal to minus A by 2v. From that B is equal to R. Resultant of two vectors when acting at right angle is 10 kilonewton. If they act at 60 degrees, okay, using formula we can get it. AB. Resultant of two vectors when acting at 120 degrees is perpendicular to smaller force which is 15 newtons. Then the bigger force is okay. Smaller one is 15 newtons. Resultant of two vectors perpendicular. Okay, from that we can get force. It is action of one body on another which is pulling or pushing in nature. To define force: magnitude, direction, point of application. Moment of force or torque: T bar is equal to M bar is equal to R bar cross F bar. TA is equal to R F sin theta, because R sin theta is equal to D is perpendicular distance. Direction: perpendicular inward to A, perpendicularly inward into the paper to A, as R bar cross F bar. Put R bar direction, then try to rotate in F bar direction. uh, TA is equal to FT clockwise. Couple and its moment F1 bar is equal to F minus F2 bar. F1 is equal to F2 is equal to F. MA is equal to minus FT plus F into A plus T is equal to FA clockwise. MB is equal to FA clockwise. MC is equal to FA clockwise is equal to MB is equal to ME is equal to MD. Momentum is A. Moment of a couple is equal to one of the forces into moment arm. In moment arm is distance between these two. Couple vector is equal to Fa minus k cap minus k cap because into the plane. If I, J, K are taken like this, types of forces, gravity W is equal to mg, decreases contact force, normal friction, tension, spring force Fs is equal to kx, applied force given in question. Contact force is equal to RBA bar is resultant of normal reaction and frictional force, motional tendency AB, NBA, FBA resultant to RBA is contact force, tension massless M. Here massless, frictionless, massless M1, M1, M2, T. F friction will be like this and normal reaction will be like this. R bar is equal to contact force. Newton's first law for a particle, if Fr bar is equal to 0, then A bar is equal to 0, rest uniform linear velocity. Uniform linear velocity. If for a rigid body, if Fr external is equal to 0, then ACM bar is equal to 0. Case 1 rest T and the ACM bar is equal to 0, Fr bar external is equal to 0, T minus Mg is equal to 0, T is equal to Mg. Case 2 M rest N minus ACM bar is equal to 0, N minus Mg is equal to 0, N is equal to Mg. Case 3 weight of bar is equal to W, RH, RV, P, A1 not equal to 0, A2 not equal to 0, A1 not equal to A2. ACM bar is equal to 0 because center of mass is lying on axis of rotation. Fr external is equal to 0, sigma Fh is equal to 0, sigma Fv bar is equal to 0. So Rh is equal to 0, Rv is equal to P plus W. Newton's third law, A, B, FAB, FBA, FAB is equal to minus FBA bar. Reaction, action. Case 1 rest TMG. Rest T action, MG action, MG reaction. N mg reaction mg n ಎತ್ mg action n reaction this mg reaction action. Equilibrium rest uniform linear velocity for a rigid body, sigma f bar is equal to 0, sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0, sigma fz is equal to 0, sigma m bar is equal to 0 about any point or line in space. A uniform ladder length L, weight W is held in equilibrium by applying horizontal force P. Assume that all surfaces are smooth. Find P in terms of weight. Here weight W will be there, here N1 will be there, here N2 will be there. Only these forces will be there, friction won't be there as everything is smooth. Horizontally, vertically balance. N prime is equal to P, N is equal to Mg. N is equal to Mg. Now about this and this point, write moment equate moment about this for this and this, equate them, then we will get P in terms of W. Balancing normal, we can balance anything normally. Case 1, a two-force system. To keep two forces in equilibrium, they must be equal in magnitude and opposite in direction and collinear in action. P bar plus Q bar is equal to 0. P bar is equal to minus Q bar. Sigma M bar is equal to 0 because forces are collinear. FAB is equal to F1 tensile, FCD is equal to F2 compressor. MAB is equal to M prime, MAB is equal to M double prime bending moment, MAB is equal to M triple prime torsional moment. Case 2, 3-force system. To keep three forces in equilibrium, they must be coplanar and concurrent if they are not parallel. Sigma P bar plus Q bar plus R bar is equal to 0, coplanar. Sigma M bar is equal to 0, concurrent. Concurrent means they should pass through they should intersect at common point. Coplanar means they all should lie in same plane. W, then here RB, WF, remaining things normal only, theta, everything normal. Note, when cylinder is about to move out of ditch, it will lose its point of contact at point A. The only contact will be at point B. To keep cylinder in equilibrium under WP, RB, they must meet at same point, that is at C. They must meet at same point, that is at C. Here W P, if we apply P here, three forces now. Plain trusses. Truss is a rigid structure in which all members are subjected to either axial tensile or axial compressive loads only. Bending moment is zero everywhere in the structure. Conditions of truss: all members should be pin jointed or hinged only. Loads should be applied at joints only. Only concentrated point loads should be applied. A member should make the joints at its ends only. Assumption: weight of members is neglected. Truss system: members plus pins or joints. Sigma FH is equal to 0. Sigma RAH is equal to 0. Sigma FV bar is equal to 0. RAV plus REV is equal to P1 P2. Considering whole trusses system. Types of trusses: 2D, stable or perfect or determinate. M is equal to 2j minus 3. Degree of freedom is equal to 0. Here M is number of members, J is number of pins. Only one is counted, whether it is binary or ternary joint. Unstable or imperfect or collapsible, M less than 2j minus 3, degree of freedom greater than 0. Indeterminate or indestructible, M greater than 2j minus 3, degree of freedom less than 0. Determination of reactions. Reaction at supports are calculated by considering equilibrium of entire truss. Reactions are equilibrium of entire truss is considered. First consider, if we cut it at a joint, if we consider then take method of joints. Equilibrium of your joint is considered in method of joint concept. Procedure: first find reaction at supports if required. Consider equilibrium of your joint when where only two unknown members are meeting, and use sigma fx bar is equal to 0, sigma fy bar is equal to 0 to find unknowns. If a member pushes a joint, then member itself will be in compression. Member itself will be in compression with the same intensity. pushes a joint. Okay, if a member pulls a joint, then member itself will be in tension with the same intensity. What here it is saying is, if member is pulling a joint, then the member will be in tension. Joint is being pulled, so the reaction to that tension will be there. If at a joint three members are meeting and two are collinear, then forces in third member is zero. There is no load. There is no load or reaction at that joint. FAD sin theta is equal to 0, sin theta not equal to 0. FAD is equal to 0, FAB is equal to FAC if it is collinear. If at a joint two members are meeting and they are non-collinear, then force in both members will be 0 if there is no load or reaction at that joint. Method of section. Equilibrium of a section of truss is considered in method of joints. Find reaction at supports if required. If required. Cut the member under consideration by section 1 and consider equilibrium of either LHS or right hand side of section 1 and use summation of forces in x direction, summation of forces in y direction and moment equal to 0 to find unknowns. Points to remember: cut the member such that the entire truss is divided into two separate parts. Preferably it do not cut more than three members, because in the method of section we have only three equations of equilibrium. Cut the member such that all cut members do not meet at same joint. If they meet at same joint, then it becomes method of joints only. Note: advantage of the method of section is that force in any intermediate members can be found directly without finding force in any other member. For example, if we cut here, take direction of force like this, for this whole section, apply sigma mb 0, sigma me 0, sigma f bar 0. Sigma md 0, work done is equal wf is equal to f bar dot ds bar. Wt is equal to t into d theta. Wf1 is equal to f1 bar dot ds. F2 bar wft is equal to f2 bar dot ds. Wf3 is equal to f3 bar dot ds bar. Total work done is equal to Wf1 plus Wf2 plus Wf3 so on is equal to F1 bar plus F2 bar plus F3 bar in dot ds bar is equal to Fr bar dot ds bar. If body is in equilibrium, total work done is equal to 0 since Fr bar is equal to 0. Principle of virtual work. POVW, if a system is in equilibrium, it states then sum of virtual work by all forces will be 0. Virtual work is equal to force into virtual displacement. Using POVW, we can find the forces necessary to keep a system in equilibrium. If using equation of equilibrium is different and time taking, then is difficult and time taking, then use POVW to find unknown easily. POVW virtual work is used in a system where number of rigid bodies are interconnected and have degree of freedom greater than 0. System can move but are in equilibrium. In POVW, we do not need to consider reaction at supports because their work done is always 0. Virtual method procedure: take any fixed point in the problem as origin, fix coordinate axis and find coordinates of all points where forces are acting. Find virtual displacement. Use POVW to find unknowns. Sign conventions for coordinates are chosen based on quadrant in which they are lying. If any force is acting along horizontal forward or vertical upward, then take that force as positive and vice versa. For lazy tongue mechanism, the relationship between P and Q to keep the system in equilibrium is this is P. XA is equal to 2A cos theta, XB is equal to 6A cos theta. Dou XA is equal to minus 2A sin theta d theta, dou XB is equal to minus 6A sin theta d theta. Virtual work of P by plus virtual work of Q is equal to 0. So P into 2 minus 2A sin theta dou theta plus minus Q into minus 6A sin theta dou theta is equal to 0. P is equal to 3Q. A sphere of weight W and radius R is supported by rods of length L as shown in figure. To keep system in equilibrium, the value of P is P x a x is equal to minus L sin theta, x b is equal to L sin theta, y c is equal to R cosecant theta, dou x a dou x by dou y c. From that weight W, P is equal to we'll get W R by 12 sin theta. Types of equilibrium: stable potential energy V is equal to minimum, unstable V is equal to maximum, neutral V is equal to constant. If system has a single degree of freedom, V is equal to f of x. V here it is stable. Stable dou V by dou x is equal to 0. Dou square V by dou x square is greater than 0. Unstable dou V by dou x is equal to 0. D square V by dx square less than 0. Neutral dV by dx is equal to d square V by dx square is equal to 0. If system has multiple degrees of freedom, V is equal to f of x comma y comma z so on. Dou v by dou x minus dou v by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y is equal to dou v by dou z so on equal to 0. A sphere is shown. Its CG should lie at which point, so it will keep it in stable equilibrium. Yes, as low as possible. Dynamics, kinematics, R bar, V bar, A bar, kinetics. V bar is equal to dr bar by dt is equal to ds bar by dt. A bar is equal to dv bar by dt. Rectilinear translation kinematics ds1 bar is equal to ds2 bar is equal to ds3 bar is equal to ds bar during time dt. V1 bar is equal to v2 bar is equal to v3 bar is equal to vcm bar is equal to v bar. A1 bar is equal to a2 bar is equal to a3 bar is equal to acm bar is equal to a bar at an instant. V12 is equal to V1 bar minus V2 bar is equal to 0. A12 is equal to A1 bar minus A2 bar in relative rest. If A bar is equal to constant, V minus U is equal to AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Free falling bodies U is equal to 0, A bar is equal to G minus J cap. Projectile motion ux is equal to u cos theta is equal to constant, ax bar is equal to 0, uy is equal to u sin theta, ay bar is equal to g minus j cap when goes up. If a bar is equal to f of s, v is equal to ds by dt, a is equal to dv by dt, dt is equal to ds by v, dt is equal to dv by a, ds by v is equal to dv by a bar ds is equal to v dv. A bar is given in terms of v, then initially a dv by dt is equal to, then we take this side, we can do this. These are all basic Newton's second law for a particle. If f r bar not equal to 0, a bar not equal to 0, a bar is equal to f r bar by m, f r bar is equal to m a bar. Resultant of actual forces a bar response or effect. For a rigid body, if f r bar is equal to external not equal to 0, acm bar not equal to 0, acm bar is equal to sigma f r bar external by m, f r bar external is equal to MACM. For the resultant of actual external force ACM effect. Rectilinear translation case 1, let m1 greater than m2, m1 greater than m2, x a x for m1 t minus m1 t m1g minus t is equal to m1a as the acceleration is downward. T minus m2g is equal to m2a as the acceleration here is upward. Case 2, here a is like this, a is like this, m1g sin theta minus t is equal to m1a. For m2, t minus m2g is equal to m2a. Case 3, string a less than g, ml lift ml a and a downward, nba mbg minus nba is equal to mba. NBA is equal to NBA MAG plus NAB minus NAC is equal to MAA. Lift NLA is equal to NAL. MG plus NLA minus T is equal to MLA. Similarly, these also we can read, but here this is massless play. If this moves by x distance, then A will move by 2x distance. So this, if B has acceleration. If A moves by x distance, then B moves by 2x distance. So if A has acceleration A, then B will have acceleration 2A. Just to observe, if A is moved upward by x, then this will move to x. And then write equations. MBG minus T1 is equal to MB into 2A. T2 minus MAG is equal to MAA. 2t1 moving fully 2t1 minus t2 is equal to 0 into a, so as it is massless, t2 is equal to 2t1. Combined body a string 2 pull a, because a bar vector is same for all. 2t1 minus mag is equal to maa. Friction static static fs kinetic fk. 0 less than or equal to fs less than or equal to fs max directly proportional to n. Fs max is equal to mu s, and mu s is quotient of static friction. Fk is equal to constant is equal to mu k n, quotient of kinetic friction. Fs max greater than fk, mu s greater than mu k. Static friction, when two bodies in contact trying to slide with respect to each other but they are not sliding, then there exists static friction whose value varies from 0 to a maximum value fs max depending on applied force. Note, if the value of applied force is less than or equal to Fs max, then there exists static friction whose value will be exactly equal to applied force and will act opposite to applied force. Just opposite to applied force will be equal to applied force. Kinematic friction, when two bodies in contact are in relative motion, then there exists kinetic friction whose value remains constant equal to mu k n and will act opposite to relative velocity. F P applied force static till here static, then dynamic is Fk is equal to constant is equal to mu k n. Fs max. Angle of static friction pi s, when the body is at wedge of motion Fs max is acting. The angle made by contact force and contact force with normal reaction is called angle of static friction. This r bar and n pi s, tan pi s is equal to Fs by max by n is equal to mu s, n by n is equal to mu s. Angle of kinetic friction pi k, when body is in motion, the angle made by contact force with normal reaction is called angle of kinetic friction. tan pi k is equal to fk by n is equal to mu k n by n is equal to mu k. If mu s and mu k are not given separately, mu s is equal to mu k is equal to mu 0 less than fs less than fs max is equal to mu n is equal to fk. Tan pi is equal to mu. Find friction force 20, 50, 60. Mu s is equal to 0.5. Mu k is equal to 0.4. Weight 100 Newton. Fs max is 50 Newton. So a frictional force till 20 and 50 is 20, 50. Now after that 60, it is 40. Rolling resistance, minimum force required at center of roller parallel to the contacting surface to start rolling is called rolling resistance. P min is equal to mu r w by capital R. Mu r is equal to quotient of rolling resistance. W is equal to load on roller. R is equal to radius of roller. Length of contact is equal to quotient of resistance. The length of contact is equal to quotient of rolling resistance mu r. Just the length of contact is quotient of rolling resistance. Mm. Okay, mu r into W by R. This is also in mm only. Circular motion, omega is equal to d theta by dt radians per second. Alpha is equal to d omega by dt radian per second square. Omega and alpha perpendicular to plane of circle passes through the center and decided by right hand thumb rule. If alpha is equal to constant, omega is equal to omega naught plus alpha t, theta is equal to omega naught t plus half alpha t square, omega square is equal to omega naught square plus 2 alpha theta. Theta is equal to radians. Omega is equal to 2 pi n by 60 radian per second. N is equal to rpm. Linear speed is equal to distance per time is equal to r d theta by dt is equal to r omega meter per second. R cap is equal to cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. T cap is equal to sin theta minus I cap plus cos theta j cap. Minus I cap. Okay, r bar v bar a bar r bar is equal to r bar r cap. R bar is equal to r of cos theta plus sin theta cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. V bar is equal to dr bar by dt. V bar is equal to r into minus sin theta d theta by dt I cap plus cos theta d theta by dt j cap. V bar is equal to r omega into minus sin theta I cap plus cos theta j cap is equal to r omega t cap. Here t represents perpendicular tangential one. A bar is equal to dv bar by dt is equal to r into omega cos minus cos theta d theta by dt I cap minus sin theta d theta by dt j cap plus minus sin theta I cap plus cos theta j cap d omega by dt. A bar is equal to r omega square minus cos theta I cap plus minus sin theta j cap plus r alpha into minus sin theta I cap plus cos theta j cap. A bar is equal to r omega square minus r cap plus r alpha t cap. A bar is equal to ar bar plus at bar. Mod of a bar is equal to root of ar square plus at square. Ar bar radial centripetal cause change in line of action. At bar tangential cause change in magnitude of velocity. Change in magnitude of velocity. AR is equal to r omega square is equal to v square by r. For uniform circular motion, v is equal to r omega is equal to constant, omega is equal to constant, alpha is equal to 0, at bar is equal to 0. A bar is equal to ar bar plus at bar. A bar is equal to ar bar. Takes fr bar r is not equal to 0, fr bar r is equal to mer, fr bar r is equal to mr omega square minus r cap, mr omega centripetal force effect. Fr bar is equal to met bar. These are all equilibrium. We can get equilibrium. Linear momentum P bar is equal to MACM bar dP bar by dt is equal to MdV bar by dt is equal to MACM is equal to Fr bar external. dP by dt is equal to Fr bar external. Conservation of momentum P bar is equal to constant, dP is equal to 0 only when Fr bar external is equal to 0. Example collision M1 U1 here conservation of momentum F external is equal to 0. So M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. Impulse momentum equation F bar is equal to dP bar by dt. F bar dt is equal to dP bar. Force time area is equal to impulse integral T1 to T2. F dt is equal to Pf minus Pi. Pf minus Pi. Work energy theorem, total work done delta Ke is equal to Ke final minus K initial. Total work done is equal to delta Ke. Wmg is equal to mgh is equal to half mv square. V is equal to root 2gh. Here also Wn is equal to 0. N is always perpendicular to V. So mgh is equal to half mv square. V is equal to root 2gh. Case 3. H max is equal to u square by 2g. Collision or impact, it is short time phenomena in which momentum of individual body undergoing collision changes significantly. Types of collision: perfectly elastic collision E is equal to 1, perfectly inelastic collision E is equal to 0, plastic collision, partially elastic collision 0 less than E less than 1, 0 less than E less than 1. Case A, perfectly elastic collision when initial Ke is equal to final Ke. Such a collision is called perfectly elastic collision. Before collision U1 M1 U2 M2 U1 greater than U2. After collision V1 M1 V2 M2 V2 greater than V1. Since F external is equal to 0, conservation of momentum can be applied. M1 U1 bar is plus M2 U2 bar is equal to M1 V1 bar plus M2 V2 bar. Conservation of Ke for elastic collision: half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square is equal to half m1 v1 square plus half m2 v2 square. U1 minus u2 is equal to v2 minus v1. Velocity of approach is equal to velocity of separation. For special case V E is equal to 1 if M1 is equal to, special cases for E is equal to 1 if M1 is equal to M2, V1 bar is equal to V2 bar, V2 bar is equal to V1 bar. In this case residual V bar is equal to minus U bar. In theta, then at an angle theta, again at an angle theta it will move with U. Perfectly inelastic collision is equal to 0 when two perfectly inelastic bodies moving along same line collide. They stick to each other. U1 U2 M1 M2 V M1 plus M2. F external is equal to 0. Conservation of momentum can be applied. M1 U1 bar plus M2 U2 bar is equal to M1 plus M2 into V bar. Ke loss is equal to Ke initial minus Ke final. Case 3, partial elastic collision 0 less than E less than 1. Before U1 M1 U2 M2 V1 M1 V2 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 M2 after. Sigma Fx, since F external is equal to 0, momentum conservation can be applied. M1 U1 bar plus M2 U2 bar is equal to M1 V1 bar plus M2 V2 bar. Velocity of separation is equal to E into velocity of approach. V2 bar V2 minus V1 is equal to E into U1 minus U2. U1 minus U2. E is equal to velocity of separation by velocity of approach. V2 minus V1 by U1 minus U2 is equal to coefficient of restitution. Rotation. In rotation, all particles are in circular motion except which are lying on axis of rotation, and their centers will lie on a line which should remain fixed, called axis of rotation. Kinematics, angular velocity, omega bar and alpha bar of each and every particle on rotating body remains same, will be along axis of rotation and decided by right hand thumb rule. D theta 1 is equal to D theta 2 is equal to D theta 3 is equal to D theta. Omega 1 bar is equal to omega 2 bar is equal to omega 3 bar is equal to omega bar. Alpha 1 bar is equal to alpha 2 bar is equal to alpha 3 bar is equal to alpha bar. V bar and A bar of a particle on rotating body is dependent on its location from axis of rotation can be calculated considering circular motion. V1 not equal to V2, A1 not equal to A2. Moment of linear momentum, angular momentum, L bar is equal to R bar cos P bar is equal to M VCM bar, VCM bar, LA bar is equal to R bar cos P bar, LA is equal to PD is equal to MVCM into D, direction perpendicular to plane, inward through A, rectilinear rectilinear motion P bar MVCM, LA is equal to PR, LA is equal to MVR, direction perpendicular inward through A, rotation LIC is equal to RI bar cos PL bar, PI is equal to MVI bar, VI is equal to RI omega, LIC is equal to Pi Ri is equal to Mi Vi Ri is equal to Mi Ri square omega. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n. LIC is equal to L body C is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n. Mi Ri square omega. L bar axis is equal to I axis omega bar. I axis is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n. Mi Ri square. Kinetic energy of rotating bodies Kei is equal to half Mi Vi square is equal to half Mi Ri omega whole square. Sigma Kei is equal to Ke is equal to sigma half Mi Ri square omega square. Ke rotation is equal to half I omega square. Similarly, T bar axis is equal to I axis alpha bar. dl bar by dt is equal to dr bar cross p bar by dt is equal to dr bar by dt into p bar plus r bar cross dp bar by dt is equal to v bar cross p bar. This is 0 plus r bar cross f bar. dl bar by dt is equal to torque t bar. Conservation of angular momentum L bar is equal to constant, dl bar is equal to 0 only when t bar is equal to 0. I1 omega 1 is equal to I2 omega 2. T bar is equal to dl bar by dt. T bar dt is equal to dl bar. Angular impulse change in L bar. Power is equal to rate of doing work F bar dot ds bar by dt is equal to F bar dot V bar, or power is equal to T d theta by dt is equal to T omega. T is equal to 2 pi n by 60. General motion: if a rigid body rotates as well as translates simultaneously, such a motion is called general motion. Example: motion of wheel, motion of connecting rod, motion of ladder. SB bar is equal to SA bar plus SBA bar. SBA bar is equal to RB theta bar. SC bar is equal to SA bar plus SCA bar. SCA is equal to RC theta bar. Similarly, VB bar is equal to VA bar plus VBA bar. VBA bar is equal to RB omega bar. VC bar is equal to VA bar plus VCA bar. VCA bar is equal to RC omega bar. AB bar is equal to AA bar plus ABA bar. ABA bar is equal to RB omega bar square plus RB alpha bar. AC bar is equal to AEA bar plus ACA bar. ACA bar is equal to RC omega bar square plus RC alpha bar. Rolling motion parameters at A: RCA bar is equal to R theta I cap, VA bar is equal to R omega I cap, AA bar is equal to R alpha I cap. Point B, everything we can write based on just I cap, J cap, then all acceleration, velocities, everything we can write. Rolling friction, rear wheel, front wheel, torque applied P applied front wheel, P applied, torque applied. F is equal to MEACM, F is equal to MR alpha, torque CM is equal to ICM alpha, torque applied minus FR is equal to ICM alpha. P applied minus F is equal to MR alpha, FR is equal to ICM alpha. Rear wheel only torque is applied, so F is equal to MEACM. Front wheel rotation, it will be like this. Instantaneous center or axis of rotation. It is a point or line in space about which a body is in general motion, can be assumed to as in pure rotation to find the velocities. Note, I center has zero velocity but not zero acceleration. Location of I centers: VA is equal to RA omega, VB is equal to RB omega. V bar is equal to 0, A bar not equal to 0. I center has 0 velocity but not 0 acceleration. Perpendicular to velocity, they joined case 1, case 2 perpendicular to velocities, they were joined. Here 2V, these lines they joined at here, application. VA bar, it will be here, VA bar, then these straight line, then it is at infinity. Kinetic energy rolling, Ke rolling is equal to Ke linear plus Ke rotational. Ke rolling is equal to half mv square plus half Ia omega square is equal to half mr omega half m r square omega square plus half Ia omega square is equal to half omega square into mr square plus Ia. Ke rolling is equal to half omega square into Ic. Similarly, Lc linear is equal to angular momentum is equal to Ic into omega.